हेलो नमस्ते टू एवरीवन, आप सबका स्वागत है पंजाब केसरी और नवोदय टाइम्स में। मैं हूं अमर और आज का दिन बहुत स्पेशल है क्योंकि आई एम मीटिंग द कास्ट एंड द मेकर्स एंड द प्रोड्यूसर्स ऑफ राणा नायडू एंड दे आर कमिंग विद द सीजन 2 ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स। सबसे पहले सीक्वल्स कैन बी ट्रिकी क्योंकि आपको सीजन 1 के कैरेक्टर आर्क को कंटिन्यू करना होता है, वहाँ के हाइस को कंटिन्यू करना होता है, एंड देन सीजन 2 में यू ऑल्सो नीड टू ब्रिंग द नॉस्टैल्जिया बैक कि लोग देखें ओ हमें याद आया, वो कनेक्ट और कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चेंज हो सकता है। सो ये सब सारी चीज़ें हम देखेंगे सीजन 2 में। पीपल विल ऑल्सो बी नॉस्टैल्जिक।
I think Karan, you should
Karan
go.
Zindabad. I don't.
But there's a lot to be nostalgic
Super
about.
just taken. I think so. लेकिन क्यों characters तो same है तो nostalgia तो होगी.
जी।
I think जो मज़ा आया था season 1 में आप लोगों को viewers को वो तो जो भी all the good things that we want to carry forward into the second season we have.
Yeah.
और जो नहीं मिला enough वो हम काफ़ी और लेके आ रहे हैं जैसे action सेकेंड सीजन में
बिल्कुल।
अपने फैमिली अपना नायडू फैमिली एक डिसफंक्शनल फैमिली है, उसकी तरह एक और दूसरा डिसफंक्शनल फैमिली को हम इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं
Yeah.
जो कृति की किरदार आलिया ओबरॉय हेड करी है ऑलमोस्ट इन अ वे, इवन दो शी इज नॉट द हेड ऑफ द फैमिली बट शी इज टेकिंग इट ऑन, और इन दोनों का मिलन हो रहा है। और अर्जुन रामपाल का एक नया किरदार हमने क्रिएट किया है रॉफ के तौर पर,
बिल्कुल।
और वो टक्कर दे रहे हैं राणा को, जो जिसमें बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है आगे जाके। तो एक अच्छी मिक्स है जो नॉस्टैल्जिया भी है लेकिन बहुत सारे नए एलिमेंट हैं और होपफुली इट्स बिगर बेटर।
द कास्ट इज़ वेरी गुड। ट्रेलर मुझे याद है, टीजर जब हम लोग ने देखा जब यहाँ पे नेटफ्लिक्स लॉन्च हुआ था और फिर बाद में जब यूट्यूब पे भी देखा, देयर इज डीनो, देयर इज अभिषेक, देयर इज अर्जुन, देयर आर यू टू, इतने सारे एक्टर्स। और आप अभी कह रहे थे कि ओटीटी के बारे में यही स्पेशलिटी है दैट एवरी कैरेक्टर हैज़ देयर ओन जर्नी, कोई भी नीचे नहीं जाता, कोई ऊपर नहीं जाता। व्हाट डू दीज बॉयज ब्रिंग टू द टेबल?
These boys being who?
Which boys?
Lot of boys.
द बॉयज आर नॉट हियर।
Oh,
So the boys were
Naga.
Let's start with Naga though.
Yeah.
या
What do they bring to the table? One, who's missing? First, I think Naga. You've seen a crazy father and son relation in season 1.
बिल्कुल।
Here it extends that arc in some ways to going off to somewhere even crazier. Though he is so mad, there is a, not as Rana Naidu, but as an audience, you'll still, there's a certain enjoyment. You still love the sweetness that he carries all of that with.
Yeah,
I think that'll be quite special. What's special this time is you saw the Naidus being so dysfunctional last time. You'll see a richer version of them, the Oberois,
Oh,
who own
okay.
a lot more things but have as many problems as the Naidus, if not more. And they need Rana Naidu to fix them,
Yeah,
and Alia tries to fix them in her own ways, I think. So that's the next exciting thing that's around. But to top it off, which was really special, was Arjun Rampal's character Rof. That really added this entire action thriller type of note to this drama series.
Yeah.
And I think the action is really up to me. You saw the teasers
Yeah.
itself. You'll know that the action is much higher than what it was
Bilkul.
last time.
Bilkul.
So yes, I think there's a lot that we have to offer this time.
Yeah. And Arjun always brings a lot of
He's
intensity.
amazing. And
With
also
good
हमारा
looks.
शो आई थिंक एक इंडियन थाली की तरह है,
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
इसमें हर किरदार
सब
एक अमेजिंग डिश की तरह है.
Very good.
Indeed,
हिंदुस्तानी
indeed.
थाली।
नाउ मैं आपके कैरेक्टर के लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड, आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड। आप दोनों ने इंडस्ट्री में एक डेकेड से ज़्यादा कर लिया है, बट एवरी प्रोजेक्ट टीचर्स एन एक्टर समथिंग अबाउट देयर क्राफ्ट, दैट ओ आई कैन डू दिस ऑल्सो। और वो एक पैट ऑन द शोल्डर होता है कि यार ये भी एक डिफिकल्ट इमोशन था जो मैंने शायद ओवरकम किया और किया। सो वाइल शूटिंग फॉर राणा नायडू सीजन 2, आप दोनों को क्या लगा कि यार ये भी टिक ऑफ हो गया एंड यू आर प्राउड ऑफ योर?
It's a ever evolving process. I
Yeah.
think every day is you have some kind of learning. What did Rana Naidu do to me? I think this is a character that has a much more a deeper sense than anything else you've played. I think anything that you do in the OTT space does that to you
या
because you're with the character for a much longer period of time.
बिल्कुल।
And this is a character that's probably most traumatic in terms of whatever I've picked so far. Whether it's somebody who's been abused as a child, who's growing up in a crazy environment, whose father's out not really there for him as a father figure, loses his mother, loses his sister, moves out of the city. I think all of that is, there's a certain heaviness that this character lives with,
Brings,
but
yeah.
lives with it in a very strong sense of society. And like it's deep vulnerability, but there's a large facade to who he is. I think that's that depth. I mean, that's something that's really special in this role, and I feel it's not a thing that you learn. It's a lot of things that keep coming in the process. It's hard to point out. Here you go. This is one.
Yeah, that one emotion.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kriti?
I don't know what I learned per se from the character, but I can tell you what I learned from my experience.
जी, बिल्कुल.
Being on a set like Run Naidu 2, it's my first experience in OTT, shooting something in this format. You know, in films, you're very used to the focus being just on you. But when you have to share that attention, I can only speak for myself, it's not something that comes very easy.
Okay.
It's something that I identified about myself along the way, that, oh, this may be making me a little uneasy, and I think I worked on that. And today I feel far more secure in my own being. You have to be the main character in your own story, right? You need to feel that way.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
And when you start treating your character like it's the main character, you tend to deliver your best. And I think that's what changed in me when I shot in this format.
Yeah, and जब मैंने रशेस देखे तो ऐसा लगा था कि आप बहुत पहले से आलिया की तैयारी कर रही थी, मतलब it
मुझे भी
looked
ऐसे ही लगा, but ऐसा नहीं था. But thank you for saying that. It really means a lot.
Yeah.
But yeah, I felt good. I think I've grown a lot as a person through this experience. A lot of things came my way that I wasn't expecting, and I'm very proud of the way I dealt with them.
Yeah, yeah. All the best, and
Thank
we'll
you.
see the show when it comes and drops. To the directors, there are 3 directors on this show. How does that work? क्योंकि एक नॉर्मल इंसान जो एक नॉर्मल ऑडियंस होगा वो ये सोचता होगा कि चलो एक डायरेक्टर है, वही कट बोलेगा, वही डायरेक्शन देगा. सो नाउ इज द बेस्ट ऑफ 3 वर्ल्ड्स.
एक से भले दो, दो से भले तीन. Amar Akbar Anthony. But here's the thing, right? A show is a massive, massive beast.
जी.
3-4 फिल्मों को बराबर शूट करने का है. And I think करण की एक खासियत है कि he always picks and chooses people who blend, जो उसी स्कूल ऑफ सिनेमा, उसी स्कूल ऑफ थॉट से आते हैं, जहाँ सबके आइडियाज़ होंगे, सबके एक विजन होगा, बट वो एंड ऑफ द डे एक ही नदी में आके मिलता है.
एक थोड़ा एक आई थिंक वो ऑडियंस को पता नहीं है कि और वो हम क्लैरिफाई कर देते हैं अभी कि एक शो रनर पोजीशन होता है.
या
राइट, एंड द डायरेक्टर्स कैन बी एज मेनी, बट देयर इज ओनली वन शो रनर ऑलवेज. वो शो रनर जो फिल्म में डायरेक्टर, जो कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप कहते हैं ना, तो वो दैट्स द रोल दैट द शो रनर प्लेज इन अ सीरीज. ओके, but that's essentially taking, making sure the script and the shooting and the post production is all supervised by more or less one person.
One person.
So the shoot and what the director does on set is a director's thing. So usme, that's why, because there's so much to shoot, it's very hard for one person to do it, and the showrunner and director don't have to necessarily overlap. बहुत बार ये भी होता है कि कोई writer showrunner होता है,
करेक्ट.
producer भी showrunner हो सकता है. So it's not unusual for the roles to interchange. But there's always that one vision is always of that one person, because the moment you start getting 3-4 people, it does dilute it, right? So
Yeah.
we have seen that before.
Yeah.
But a series needs to function like a well-oiled machine to be efficient, and there's so many stakeholders. There's a producer, there's Netflix, there's all of. So everyone has to sort of be on the same page, and we have to coordinate that well. And that's where the directors, like even functioning as a director, in a way, it's answerable to what is the what are you servicing at the end of it? The bigger picture, the bigger vision, and that's what all of us sort of keep trying to be on the same page. Ki, this is on this for this episode or for this scene or this moment. This is what we are going for with every
Yeah.
move that we make.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think as Karan said, it all starts first with the script, and I think then during the prep, I think we spent so much time together, or 3 of us, in terms of from locations to costumes to even in the first readings with the actors, so that I think that gave us an understanding that we're all servicing the same story, same script, So, and I think when you see it, it will feel seamless. Like, I don't think you will feel, and as you said, I think in the West it's even more. Like, sometimes in the West, series have each episode has a different director, but one showrunner.
Yeah.
So it's not like I said, it's not uncommon. Maybe here for it is, but I said I think eventually we all service that story, and I think just because we collaborate so well to each other, I don't think you'll feel the difference.
Yeah,
when you
that's
watch
very
it.
important.
Yeah.
कि at the end of the day एक family type feeling आनी चाहिए. और जब awards
We're not
आएंगे-
that dysfunctional.
We're not Naidu. We're not Naidu.
We're not Naidu.
तो आई होप जब अवार्ड सीजन आएंगे तो फिर जब बेस्ट डायरेक्टर अनाउंस हो तो 3-3 ट्रॉफीज रहें. आप तीनों ही साथ में जाओगे कलेक्ट करने. ऑल्सो जैसे हम बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं अबाउट कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स, जैसे हमेशा मैंने कहीं पढ़ा है कि द शो इज़ एज गुड एज द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. और कभी कभी सेट पे एक एक्टर को भी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट हो जाता है वे दे आर नॉट, एंड सेम गोज फॉर डायरेक्टर्स और द प्रोड्यूसर्स, कि वो दे फील स्टक और दे आर नॉट एबल टू मूव अहेड, वो अटक जाते हैं. रायन नायडू सीजन 2 में कोई ऐसा दिन हुआ where we were like, yeah, this is a challenging day?
We had many challenges.
There'll be many,
Yeah.
many like that.
Every day was a
And I
challenge.
think, see, normally for I can speak for an actor. Usually, you have one voice that tells you. Here, I have 3 voices that can fix me
Yeah.
in the course of the day. So
Yeah.
I think how much one that Karan prepped me in the beginning, and then after that, on set when I was either with Supan or with Abhay. Anytime you get stuck, it's like ultimately you're just speaking the character. You're understanding what they would do, and see, it's not a hero story.
Yeah.
It's a story of people and the problems that they arise. I just play a slightly more central guy to the theme. See, ultimately, it's just understanding things. I remember in season 1, I because I don't have kids, I never understood or never played a father in my life, and I didn't have small kids either. These kids were big directly. I couldn't understand how to play that scene also.
That's interesting.
And I remember you and I were just talking for like half an hour. Okay, what do you do with kids? What am I supposed to? And then it was. I remember the scene where the daughter was getting a belly button piercing. I was like, wow, what is this? Like, so these are things that I can't identify. I
Yeah.
think those become the larger questions and problems to ask.
Pretty much the same thing when you're playing a character that's so different from your fundamental personality.
Yeah.
You're not entirely sure whether your reaction is valid, whether it is even a reaction, whether this is how you're supposed to do it. So you're constantly seeking approval. That's something it's very hard to get used to and tell yourself that it's okay to seek approval. It's perfectly alright. There's a director for a reason. Whoever, like whether it's Karan, whether it's Supan, whether it's Abhay. I think it was very important for me. Every time I'd finish a shot, I'd look over the monitor and they wouldn't even be looking at me, but I can tell by their body language whether they're happy or not.
Yeah.
And I think that is something that works for and against me sometimes because I know I'm looking for validation, but I know it's a very important validation for me. So, yeah, we had good days. We had some very, very good days. We had some really bad days where I just wasn't able to perform or I'm just not feeling it. And Karan very politely, politely only bolungi. One day he told me, he's like, every day can't be a great day. So I was like, oh, okay, all right. But yeah, I think the simplicity in that communication where you're not trying to like coddle someone. He's also someone, he will not try to coddle you. In fact, he'll give you space.
Yeah.
And he'll tell you, okay, you know what, take your 10 minutes, it's
Yeah.
fine. It's not
Empathy.
the end of the world. It's a weird empathy because you know it's empathy, but it's not coming across as empathy. It's coming across as very poker face from Karan. So you're constantly confused. Ki ye soch kya raha hai insaan? It's a little hard to tell what Karan's thinking all the time.
Lunch.
See, I need you to
That's
see
me,
those
buddy.
things, so I know. But overall, I think it was good days and bad days are a part of every experience. But I don't have a defined bad day to share with you.
Yeah.
But I can tell you, like these were small moments where I felt the way I did. Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. But after talking to you guys, मुझे यही लग रहा है कि जब cut होता होगा, it must be a party every day because it
Yeah.
feels like
Yeah.
No, we
was
used
a
to be
fun
really,
set.
really tired by the end of the time. When we called that last cut, it was done.
Yeah.
Okay. Lastly, before मैं आप लोग को अलविदा कहूँ, मैं ये पूछूंगा कि अगर it's like a situation, अगर जैसे हम सब Netflix watchers हैं, अगर कोई एक और शो और रायना नायडू का एक melting point बने, जहाँ वहाँ के शो के कैरेक्टर्स और इस शो के कैरेक्टर्स साथ में आए, तो आप लोग कौन सा एक शो सेलेक्ट करोगे?
Sure. Interesting.
I'll go first.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ready.
there's multiple answers to be given. Pick.
Oh, I thought all of us.
Yeah,
Sorry.
multiple.
Sure, go
More
for
the
it, go for
merrier.
Go for it.
I recently watched this show called Ginny and Georgia. And it's about this 30-year-old woman who has a 15-year-old kid. Very dysfunctional family. And I think if that world and Ram Naidu's world comes together, it'll be something like really volcanic.
Bang on.
Yeah.
Interesting.
You guys?
Okay.
Breaking Bad meets Rana Naidu.
No, but I don't know about an existing show, but there's an upcoming show that will, you know,
Oh,
which
okay.
is going
Under
to
wraps
work
now.
at some point. No, I'll tell you the name also. It's called Glory.
Glory.
So you peg in your next show.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Yeah.
It features my husband.
Bilkul, bilkul. Rana, you'll like to say something.
I don't. Any other world? I'm not very sure. I don't know if it's a.
जरूर नहीं है कि वो भी dysfunctional हो. They can be sweet people and you make them dysfunctional.
I make them dysfunctional. Why? I don't know. Nothing's coming to me.
Temptation Island, maybe.
Temptation Island.
Rana with a bat running after couples.
I like it.
Get out of the water now.
You know what he's doing?
Empty the swimming pool. No kissing.
So there you go. You have enough
Yeah.
of options, I think.
Great answers. Great answers. Lovely. It was lovely
Thank you,
talking
guys.
to you.
June
And thank
13th.
you.
June 13th.
June 13th.
Only
and
on Netflix.
मैं आप सबको all the best कहता हूँ.
Thank you.
Thank
And I'll
you.
tell you.